Hello, my name is John. Today I'm going to tell about this last time I went to a restaurant. I went to a restaurant last weekend on Saturday evening. The name of the restaurant was Bella Italy. It's in an Italian restaurant near my house. I went with my friend. We were very hungry. He ate a big plate of spaghetti with tomato sauce and cheese. The spaghetti was good and very delicious. I also had a small chocolate cake for dessert. It was sweet and soft. I drank a glass of lemonade. I did not drink coffee because it was late at night. I liked the restaurant because the food was good and the service was friendly. The restaurant was clean and cute. The prices were not too expensive. I didn't wait a long time for the food. That was great. It was a nice experience. I want to go there again soon. Thank you for listening.